Oh, it's already running. It's that soft. Let's dig in with a spoon. Come on. Look at that. We got soft egg. Hi everyone. Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Do you have an air fryer? Do you have a couple of eggs? Do you have a couple of ramekins? Or glass dishes or pie tins? And do you have 5 to 7 minutes? Breakfast is made. Let's do it. Preheat your air fryer. We're doing 180, so we're just going to preheat it for a couple of minutes. Boom, on. Best for warm on this one. Okay, so preheat. I'm going to use these two ramekins. I was going to use some tins, but these are a bit thinner. Depending on how thickness of your ramekins, glass ramekins, pot ones, or what you're using, depends on how long it cooks. 5 to 7 minutes. These things are going to deliver in about 7 minutes. Right, we need to grease that. So I'm going in there with just a little bit of butter. I always use butter. We're going to give it a greasing. You don't have to grease it, but the egg can stick on the bottom. Okay, and we don't want that, do we? So I've got a bit of greasing going on there. I'm going to do the same in this one. Okay, hot water in your ramekin. About 2 to 3 tablespoons, something like that. We're poaching our eggs, or some people might just say it's coddled eggs, but they're actually poached because we're poaching in water. Okay. Crack your egg in there. Nice and straightforward. Egg in there. Like that. Same on the other one. Do you know, I think I've broke that egg yolk. Anyway, we'll find out, won't we? Air fryer. Basket out. In there. Your eggs. I think I have. In there. So at least we'll have one good egg. So that happens to us all. Right, 180 on the temp. Now it's between 5 and 7 minutes. Now I know that these ramekins are going to take about 7 minutes, but so we're going to go down to 6 minutes and we'll check. On it goes. That is it. Get your toast on. Get some butter on your toast. Oh, there you go. Check your eggs. Now, we only put this for 6. It's between 5 and 7. And I do know this takes 7 minutes. So give those a check in. There you go. You can see that they are nearly done. And that one was cracked. Right, back in 1 minute. So same temp, 180. And we need that extra minute. Okay, as easy as that. Done. There we go. That's our minute. Out it comes. That is our eggs cooked. The only hard job is getting them out of there. Okay, it's easy to come out of the ramekin, hard to get out of there. These things are absolutely boiling. So I'm just going to take them out with a oven mitt, like that, onto there. And we don't want to be hanging around really, you know, because this thing is still cooking in the water. Let's just put that basket back in there. Out of there with a spoon. Use a spoon, run it round, just dump it on there. Couple of eggs, there you go. Oh, it's already running, it's that soft. Let's dig in with a spoon, come on. Look at that, we got soft egg on there. Sauce of choice, I'm having a bit of Maggi. Oh yeah. Come on in here. Oh, soft egg, look. Now you can go softer if you so wish. Oh yeah. That's soft enough, it's cooked all the way through, look. That is delicious. Come on, let's stop messing about. Oh, yes, please. Perfect poached eggs. Oh man, that is delicious. There you go. Excuse me. There you go. It does work. You can air fry poached eggs. Absolutely perfect. In there. Oh, oh yeah. That is delicious. There you go, breakfast between 5 and 7 minutes, depending on the size, the thickness of the ramekin, or glass container, or a tin container. Up to you. Just watch it at 5 minutes. There you go. If you like what we're doing, share with your friends, tell them how easy it is to make poached eggs in an air fryer. And if you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.